How to log in to Nationwide Building Society online banking account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Nationwide Building Society online banking account. Nationwide Building Society is the largest building society in the world and a major financial institution in the UK. Here's how you can log in to your Nationwide Building Society online banking account. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and now in the search bar type in nationwide.co.uk. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. Now it will lead to the official website of Nationwide Building Society. Now once you reach this page, here at the top right, you'll be able to see the login button. Simply move your cursor to the login button and then you'll be able to see this menu. Here, now you will need to choose login to internet bank account. If you haven't created an account yet, you may also click on this register for internet banking link and then you will need to fill in the details in order to create an account on it. Now after that, click on this login to internet bank and once doing that, here now you will need to use internet banking option. After that, you will be taken to this page. Now here you will need to enter the credentials. In this first text box, you will need to enter your customer number. Once after entering the customer number, now enter your date of birth. Select your day, select the month, and then enter the year. Once after entering these credentials, you may also click on this checkbox that says Remember Me if you want your login credentials to be remembered for future. And if in case you don't remember your customer number, you may also click on this Forgotten Your Customer Number link right here, and then you will need to follow the instructions given to you in order to recover your number. After that, enter your customer number and date of birth and then click on this continue button at the bottom. After that, you will need to select a login method. You may either use your pass number and a text code or use your debit card and a card reader. Once after selecting one of that option, you will need to continue and proceed further. If you have added two-factor authentication, then you will need to be prepared for additional security checks such as text code or card reader verification. Also, alternatively, you can use the Nationwide banking app on your mobile device and then logging in with biometrics like Face ID or Touch ID, or also by entering the specific digits from your pass number. So by following these steps, you should be able to log in to your Nationwide Building Society online banking account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.